Organisms that can survive nuclear bomb radiation. 1. Cockroaches. Even the ones hiding under the kitchen cabinet, which you can kill with insecticides, are capable of surviving a nuclear explosion. Of course, not all species would make it, but enough would survive to start a new colony. Most cockroaches can endure moderate levels of radiation, and about 20% can survive extremely high levels, up to 10,000 rads. In fact, cockroaches in good condition were found just 1,000 feet away from the site where the Hiroshima atomic bomb was dropped. What's even more bizarre is that these insects can survive for up to a month without food or water, and even for 2 weeks after being decapitated. 2. Scorpions. Although there is no conclusive study on this, it is believed that scorpions are better able to survive nuclear attacks than most other creatures. Scorpions can withstand extremely high levels of ultraviolet radiation and even glow in the dark when exposed to it. Scorpions can also freeze completely and then come back to life. Did you know that over 95% of our viewers aren't subscribed to the channel? We totally get it. Life gets busy and sometimes it's easy to forget. But here's the thing, subscribing is completely free and it really helps us keep creating the content you enjoy. So, why not hit that subscribe button and join our community? It only takes a second, but it makes a world of difference to us. Thanks for your support. 3. Fruit flies. These tiny insects can survive up to 64,000 rads. Their size prevents them from absorbing radiation as effectively as larger creatures. And despite their 30-day life cycle, if a nuclear explosion occurs, they could likely still survive until their natural lifespan ends. 4. Braconidae wasps. This group of parasitic wasps is considered one of the toughest living creatures. They can withstand radiation 300 times greater than that of humans. Braconidae wasps can withstand 180,000 rads, which is the Hiroshima bomb was only 10,000. Entomologists have discovered that another species of this wasp can be trained to sniff out and identify explosive and harmful materials. 5. Tardigrades. Also known as water bears or moss bears, these tiny microscopic creatures are one of the few organisms capable of surviving the harshest environmental conditions, including extreme pH levels, extremely high or low temperatures and water temperatures, and even low oxygen environments. They even survived in space after a sample was sent on a space mission and returned safely. 6. Mummieshug. These amazing little fish, with their natural appearance, are the only fish ever sent into space. Mummies can live in the dirtiest and most chemically polluted parts of the ocean and do perfectly well. They can also withstand the high levels of radiation caused by a nuclear bomb blast through their water and salt. They can also modify their internal structure and genetics when needed to suit their environment. 7. Microscopic bacterium, Deinococcus radidurans. This microscopic bacterium is the most radiation-resistant organism ever discovered. What is the maximum amount of radiation it can handle? Possibly an infinite amount. Scientists were stunned by this discovery years ago when they found that the bacterium could instantly repair any DNA damage caused by radiation. Numerous studies are currently investigating this organism to help treat radiation-related illnesses and other similar diseases in humans by harnessing its DNA. Another fun fact? This tiny bacterium is listed in the Guinness World Records as the most radiation-resistant life form.